Here is a short extinguish aid on how to use a fire extinguisher. Step 1. Know the type of fire extinguisher you are about to use is correct for the type of fire you are about to tackle. The type of fire extinguisher and its classification can be found written on the front of the fire extinguisher. Step 2. Check the fire extinguisher before use to confirm it is not damaged or tampered with. Step 3. Decide if you will evacuate or stay and fight the fire. Consider the size of the fire, the amount of smoke in the room, and whether there is a reliable escape route. Step 4. Remember PASS, pass. It stands for pull, aim, squeeze and sweep. Pull the pin that unlocks the operating handle, place the extinguisher horn 45 degrees and aim at the base of the fire. Gently squeeze the lever to discharge the extinguisher medium and sweep the hose back and forth across the base of the fire.